too much onions we use for chicken curry. Ayan. Nailagay na din yung dinikdik na bawang na 1 clove na ordinary garlics. Siguro malaki yung isang clove, mga 10 bits. Dinikdik dito sa ano. Ayan. Now this turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon, and chili powder, bas enough, and salt, and this is lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. Then mix together, and then put now these tomatoes. And this is 2 kilogram of chicken, one chicken. I think 400 rupees 1 kilogram. So if we convert this one in peso, 80 pesos 1 kilogram. But I don't know how much per kilogram of chicken in Philippines or other countries. So tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now one by one this chicken. Ayan, check natin. Hindi pa luto. Kailangan slow fire lang. Tapos yung ano, yung takip ay nilagay na namin yung takip para hindi masunog at saka maganda yung pagkaluto. Ayan, for our dinner and then tomorrow lunch. Kasi breakfast, parata yung breakfast namin. Kung may bread, yun bread with tea, sa akin with coffee. So, dinner ito and then tomorrow lunch, inshallah. And then, di na ako magluluto ng rice, white rice, kasi nagluto ako kahapon. Marami pang extra. Kahapon nagluto ako ng munggo beans. So, wala na, konti na lang yung natira na munggo beans. And then, gagawa ako ng chapati mamaya for my husband, for Fahad, and for Langga. And for me and Fatma, we will eat rice. Cooking chicken curry for our dinner and then tomorrow lunch, inshallah. So, dito ako nagluluto sa kahoy, sa pugon, kasi winter ngayon, malamig. Yan. Paluto na itong aming ulam for dinner. So, ito na yung extra na kanin yesterday. 1 kilogram kasi yung aking niluto. So, marami pang extra. And then, ito naman yung namasahe ko kahapon na harina. Gagawa ako mamaya ng. Now, we can put toppings, this coriander leaves or parsley para masarap at mabango. Fresh from the field, itong coriander leaves.